Learn English. Hello, everyone. Here are the two words for today. Jennifer has a job. She gets a salary. She is a... Correct. And tomorrow we will go... That's right. Number 1. Please listen and write this in your notebook. We are important workers. We are important workers. Workers. We are important workers. Workers are people with jobs that get a salary every month. Now we can make a flashcard for worker and remember it forever. Please make a card like this. Write worker up here in the top left corner. W-O-R-K-E-R. Down here, P-E-O-2. This means people. People 1, sorry. People level 1. Over here the number 77 out of 78. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Remember the W, we use the lips. Wah, wah. Were. Ker. Worker. Number 2, please listen and write this in your notebook. Jennifer is going somewhere now. Jennifer is going somewhere now. Somewhere. Jennifer is walking up the stairs and she's going somewhere. Maybe we know where, maybe we don't. Now let's make a flashcard for somewhere. And for negative, we usually say anywhere. Please make a flashcard like this. Write somewhere, one word, up here. S-O-M-E-W-H-E-R-E. We also write S-W-H for short. Down here, G-W-1. This means grammar, word, level 1. Over here, the number 101 out of 135. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Some. Where. Somewhere. Game over. You did really well today. Are you a student or a worker? Very good. And I'm gonna go somewhere. And if you are high level, here are the level 2 words for today. Number 1 is something you can win if you are lucky. Correct. A prize. Number 2, restless. This means people that don't want to stay still. They feel restless. And to eat something up, separable phrasal verb. It just means to eat something. Today is Sunday, September 14th. Please write your language on the other side of the card. My name is Vinny from Canada. If you like this video, please share.